Friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I'm fine. Very important and very excellent videos presentation, the search engine optimization. How to create an search engine optimization strategy, 23 fundamental steps. 23 fundamental steps, the search engine strategy. SEO strategy, 23 fundamental steps. So then the provide with your search engine strategy template, then word send you down and point look keep your all concern the create and search engine strategy and search engine expert and fundamental 23. Number one, set search engine goal. I can step by serially a presentation, the step by step discuss. Number one, set SEO goal. Number two, consider search engine scalability. Number three, execute and competitor analytics. Number four, do keyword research and build traffic calculators. Number five, elegant content with search engine intent. Number six, difference title to boost SERPCTR. Number seven, build search engine strategy into conversion funnel. Number eight, brand versus non-brand search engine strategy, SEO strategy. Number nine, capacity on your standard. Number 10, technical search engine optimization strategy. Number 11, content search engine optimization strategy. Number 12, on-page search engine optimization. Number 13, off-page link building search engine optimization strategy. Number 14, mobile search engine optimization strategy, mobile search strategy. Number 15, video search engine optimization strategy. Number 16, voice search strategy. Number 17, local search engine optimization strategy. Number 18, international search engine optimization strategy. Number 19, branding search engine optimization and reputation. Number 20, UX and search engine optimization. Number 21, search engine optimization and marketing strategy development. Number 22, marketing integration. Number 13, track search engine method and people. My friend, the big discussion, the 23 points, but I am some points, my videos and presentation. First, number one, SEO goal, set search engine optimization goal. Define your goal before your launch and measure search engine optimization invited and after all without clear goal. Your search engine activities want to have ROI also important. This search engine contain label and much relevance. Number one, do you want to increase e-commerce sales? Which business until products and service? Number two, are you typing and go market share with a specific audience segments. Number 3, do you want to get more website traffic? How much traffic? How will do valuable? Number 4, are you looking drive consult throughout and drive generate marketing and lead generation? Number 2, conditioner search engine scalability. The development and search engine website strategy scalable in-house search engine optimization team including and effective. They know how to get high done, but really and hard over search engine contain the producting and high quality link building. And search engine programs grows much depend plugins. There are the software subscription, track and search engine technology, etc. etc. Number 3, execute and computer analysis. Very important, present time. The every business, every person, the startup now must be business computer analysis. Very important. This is the search engine optimization points. The process of elementary your computer to take and improve your search engine strategy, analytic your competitors, organic searching ranking, online revenues, blog strategy, backlink profile, then doing and your experience social media, targeted audience segments, USP and definition. And search engine audio reviews and site header technical search engine improvement, page speed, mobile finding, and computer analytics should be however should and looks SERPs and Google page search engine keyword and SERPs ranking, etc. etc. Number 4, do you keyword research and build traffic screen. Keyword research that the fundamental of the soul search engine strategy and scene, and they are important. Create an website and audience and common and this development, this and development and condition targeted same process and they generate search engine RIO. Number 5, elegant contains with search enter. The search engine most critical approach keyword research because it update Google's search object in order to what Google aim provide use the most relevant content quickly possible. A keyword many high research volumes. It is many defense by intent and the condition and traffics. Our defense title is the boost CTR. The important defense your message Google SERPs boost your CTR and one higher and of the Google page on my ranking it another rank and oil search click on the boost important and provide rank and visibility ranking click more definition and business and then single Google important and COL. Number 7, build search engine strategy in order conversion funnel. Recommender and the conversion funnel with the development your search engine optimization strategy, even the manage high online relation, e-commerce search engine optimization and search engine strategy easily all your marketing effort and own is. Number 8, brands versus non-brands search engine strategy. Number the new PR educational throat landscape blog content caption content review planning social media community fronts and boards. Number 9, caption and your site. The lot of points contain search engine strategy and on-page SEO. Everyone most the analytic content who want the build organic traffic must be used and keyword process and step-by-step guide to and the technical SEO and make SPRS. and off-page link building. The off-page search engine optimization are the content intake and improve the search engine optimization and link building strategy. Mobile search engine. Mobile search now are the 59% search and Google action site is 45% and few year ago and this. With the ratio people, the smartphone and mobile search engine makes search and Google has been moving your mobile first indexing main then extend your optimized search in mobile search engine. Video search strategies. The popular search engine of YouTube search engine social media and the more billion user with over billion over the search engine strategy. YouTube dynamic market calculate on your search social creativity and there's the goal improve the most and targeted and YouTube. Are you effective video search and strategy help and contain again the real strategy Google SERPS result the digital marketing strategy develop and benefits the products and within the search engine optimization and your defense. The voice search engine optimization, local search engine optimization and search engine optimization. The friends, the 23 fundamental step the search engine strategy, the create and search engine optimization strategy, how to create and search engine optimization strategy, 23 fundamental step but I am 23 fundamental name presentation but some one or two provide these videos very important. You can how to create and search engine strategy and 23 fundamental steps. Thank you. Best of luck.